Well, hi YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with another sneaker mystery box episode, guys. This one's gonna be a big one. It is $2,000 from Soul Supremacy, best place to get beater boxes. So you guys know a lot of heat sneakers in this, and also probably a lot of profit. Fingers crossed, though. It's a mystery box, we never know. Anyway, I will be getting to that real quick, but before I do, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's episode, Rose Gold and Black. You guys have probably heard me talk about Rose Gold and Black in the past, but I gotta say, guys, it is still in 2021 my favorite go-to place for minimalistic jewelry. And I'm wearing one of their pieces right now. This is actually the bar necklace, which I will put up on the screen over here. And like I said, minimal style. It's nothing too flashy, nothing too like extravagant or whatever, and it just doesn't really make a huge statement, but at the same time it adds a lot of style to your clothing and just your general outfits and stuff without breaking the bank, which I think is honestly probably the best thing for me, man. Aside from this necklace though, they have a whole bunch of different things on their website. You guys can go ahead and check it out. Rings, bracelets, necklaces, and also if you guys use that link in the description, you guys will get 25% off your order. So great deals getting even better. And also when you guys use that link for a limited time, you guys will get a free complimentary bracelet as well. So literally this is probably the best time to shop at Rose Gold and Black if you guys haven't already. Like, getting free stuff and 25% off is honestly just a great deal. So I'd highly recommend that, guys. Link in the description below. All right, so I think we can get into this box now, guys. Again, $2,000 from Soul Supremacy. Let's see what we got in this one. Oh, dude, we got some good heat in this, it looks like. We got some good stuff. All right, I'll start off with the not so good stuff, though. Namely this pair right here. This looks like a pair of pennies over here. It's also a worn pair, which isn't a good thing. This one is a size 10, though. And I have no idea what the colorway is on this, just because, I mean, come on, guys. Not too many people are in the market for pennies these days, so I'm sure this isn't fetching a lot of money on the screen, but still a good sneaker, and it doesn't look like it's too worn. It's a simple black pair with a bunch of blue trim on it. You guys can see that running throughout the shoe. Also that logo on the back, the Penny Hardaway logo, pretty cool. This is an interesting one. It kind of has like Duke vibes when I'm looking at like this Nike swoosh as well with that blue and white. So yeah, very interesting sneaker over here. Again, it is worn though, so bottoms, yes, there's some couple rocks in there and a little bit of dirt. Additionally, if you guys do want to buy any of these shoes, make sure to check out untitledhawaii.com. I sell all the shoes on the website over there, and if you guys don't see it up on the web store, it usually means that it already sold out, which I think is common sense, but a lot of people email me all the time and they're like, hey, I want to try to cop this shoe, and I'm like, if it's not there, it's sold out, man. I don't have the shoe anymore. I'm sorry. So please don't be that guy. If you guys don't see it up there, it probably sold out. That's why you guys gotta watch the videos quick and cop when you guys can. Next shoe out. Okay, last shoe without a box is actually a banger of a sneaker too. One that I haven't seen in a minute now. This is a pair of the top 3 Jordan 1s, and this one is in a size we got size 11, my size. Okay, I had a pair of these before, but I don't really feel these. A lot of people really like these, but just not for me anymore. I mean, it is a pretty nice Jordan. The leather quality and stuff isn't bad on this. I don't know, the colorway just wasn't working for me. If you guys do want to see the other shoe too, this is what it looks like in contrast, because both pairs are different. Toe box is a little bit different on both. Outside panels are different colors, and also the soles are different colors as well. So it's a pretty cool sneaker, just not really one that I wanted in the collection anymore. So yeah, I got rid of my personal pair, and yeah, I won't be keeping these either. All right, let's check out this one over here now. Kind of destroyed box. Size 10.5 Air Foamposite. Pure Platinum it says on here, so I'm guessing it's called the Pure Platinum. I don't know. Again, I'm not a Foamposite guy, but this one is not too bad, actually, not too bad. I don't see any like scuffing or anything too like bad or damaged on the upper, so that's a good sign. A little bit of scuffing over here on the toe box, but that's kind of normal. Good amount of heel drag, but yeah, nothing too bad, I guess, on this one. Another one where I'm not super familiar with the market on Foamposites anymore. I mean, Foamposites are definitely more of a niche shoe. Not too many people wear these, but you would be surprised on how fast these usually sell in the web store. Most of the time, they go pretty quick, which is nice to see. All right, I'll grab this Yeezy box over here. Yeezy 350, 10.5. What is this? Whoa, okay. I wasn't expecting an old school Yeezy, man. I say old school, but yeah, this is not super old. I think this was in 2017 this one came out, but compared to like the newer Yeezys, I feel like this is more of like an OG at this point. This right here is a pair of the copper Yeezy 350s, that's why. And this is one of 3 shoes that came out, I believe, on Black Friday in 2017. And this one looks to be in pretty solid condition too. Uppers are like never something that you really need to like spend a lot of attention on for a Yeezy. It always comes down to the bottoms, because the uppers, because it's knit, it's usually never like nicked up or anything. It might have a hole in it, but that's about it. The bottoms though for this one, not too good, not too good. Pretty bad heel drag on the back over here, so it was worn a good amount of times. Still wearable, just not in the best condition on the bottom. Still A really nice pair, and one that I haven't seen honestly in like maybe a year or 2 years now. We used to get this one like a lot in like the early beater boxes, but since then, never see these on the market anymore. All right, next one out. I'll just grab this, dude. Nike Air Presto size 9. I don't think it's the OG one though, unfortunately. It's still, I mean, it's still a good pair. The Prestos aren't a bad one. This one is a pair of the white Prestos. Out of the 3 Prestos too, this is probably my least favorite just because it gets dirty super fast. But, you know, for a worn pair, this isn't too bad. It's overall a pretty good condition on this. Bottoms on here, you know, this is actually really good because the bottoms aren't that worn down either. This must have been worn like less than 10 times for sure. Other shoe does come with a zip tie, and I think the orange laces are the only laces the white pair came with as well. Next shoe out, it looks like we have 4 left. This one is a Jordan 4 in a size 8.5. Pretty smash box in the front. And I'm guessing it's the Breds. Yep, it is a pair of Jordan 4 Breds. The outside and stuff and the upper looks pretty good. But then when you look on the inside over here, like this thing has a lot of scuffing, and also on the back, pretty decent amount of scuffing as well. I think you can buff this out though, so that's not too bad. Not a lot of toe box creasing over the top and bottoms. Some star loss on the toe. Honestly, I'm liking this box so far. The last couple shoes in here look like they're good shoes too, so we got a pretty like even box. Size 11.5 Nike Dunk Low Silver Box Series and Jedis. Boom. Whoa! I called that. I swear I did not look at the box, dude. I swear I did not look at the box. I just used my Jedi mind tricks, I guess, and called that. That's crazy. I'm like literally shaking up on that. I can't believe I called that. Anyway, a pair of Nike Dunk Low Jedis, guys. And this one's pretty dope. It has all the extra laces over here. But this is the only ones that you guys need on the Jedis, man. It makes it pop the most. This one looks to be in decent condition too, man. I've seen some really beat up Jedis. This is not super beat up though. I mean, there is heavy toe box creasing, obviously worn, but because this is from like 2006 or 2005, an older pair, I think this one is in pretty solid condition. I mean, you guys can check it out with me. It looks pretty good. Bottoms are normal for the SBs at this point. Like, there's going to be a decent amount of star loss. Heel drag actually isn't bad on this one either. So overall, really good pair in a size 11.5, man. And 11.5 is a rare size for like Nike SBs too. So definitely a good one to see over here. Jedi mind tricks, bro. I can't believe I called that. That's funny. This one is an old school Yeezy box, dude. Yeezy 350 without the 350 written on it. So you guys know it's the V1s. And this one is in a size 10. And we got a pair of the Pirate Blacks. Now, the first thing that I look for when I get like a beater box with Pirate Blacks is you got to check what year it was, because there was 2 different sets of Pirate Black Yeezys. 2015 version, so I believe that's the first series, something like that. But yeah, good pair over here, like really good for a Pirate Black colorway, man. Again, like I mentioned, the uppers don't really matter too much because those are usually perfectly fine. But for the V1s, you guys do want to check over here if the suede is worn down. This one actually looks to be pretty good, not too worn down at all. And also the bottoms, dude. These things are freaking clean for like a 4-year-old Yeezy 1. Like, this is really clean. Boost looks perfectly fine. Not a lot of heel drag. This is not too worn down either. Overall, really good pair over here for Pirate Black Yeezys. Still probably one of his like better colorways, to be honest, man. Like the V1 series, I don't know. Even though I'm not a big fan of Yeezys, I always thought those colors were like at least better than like the 4 tones of brown that he's using now. This was a little bit more unique at least. All right, and for the last sneaker in the box, like I said, we're saving this Jordan Nike box over here. I'm hoping it's a big one and not just like a, you know, front of the mill shoe. A size 10 Jordan 1, and it is definitely one of those like run-of-the-mill sneakers. I don't know, this is bad, and there's like so much glitter on this. What the heck is going on? I'm not sure if this pair in particular is supposed to have like this much glitter, but dude, look at that. Glitter, freaking a lot of glitter. Just glitter everywhere, dude. I'm not sure if that's part of the colorway on this, but dude, that sparkle is weird. It makes it look really weird. But yeah, this one looks like be dead stock. Lace bag is still attached. Just kind of like a lackluster way to end the box in my opinion. But this is one of those kind of boxes where it's not supposed to have like one like crazy shoe in the box. This is the kind of boxes that are probably the best for resale, to be honest. Usually when you have like those beater boxes that have like one grail shoe, like a Air Yeezy Blink or like a Yeezy 2 like Solar and stuff, the other like 7 shoes in those boxes are usually like really like bad shoes, like either beaters or just really obscure shoes that nobody buys, and all the value comes from selling that one like grail sneaker. These mystery boxes though, where it's pretty much even across the board and stuff, these are the best ones to sell. Any shoes that are like under $500 in value, they go from the web store really quick, especially if you price it good. Like the Jordan 4 Breds will sell very fast. Even though these aren't hyped, I'm sure these will sell pretty fast too. The Jedis are probably going to be one of the harder ones to sell because it is more expensive, but yeah, these are still, overall, these boxes are much better. I'd rather have a bunch of like B tier shoes than like a whole bunch of like A or S tier, because for those, there's only like so many people that can pay $2,000 for like a pair of Yeezy Blinks, you know? So it's a little bit harder to move. So honestly, this box over here, I think it's a great box. Thank you guys so much for watching this video though, and if you guys did enjoy this, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And as always, guys, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha, shoots!